Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today we are going to start our new lesson named Flying Together. I hope you all must have watched the video of this lesson and understood the moral also. So, today we are going to learn new words of this lesson. So, let's begin with me. So students, our first word of this lesson is geese. As we all know that this lesson was based on the story of geese. So let's learn the spelling of geese. G-E-E-S-E, geese. So let's repeat with me. G-E-E-S-E, geese. Meaning of this word: plural for goose, large web-footed bird. Here you can see from this picture that there are two birds. First is goose and second is duck. Why I have used this picture? क्योंकि sometime we could not understand what is difference between goose and duck. Here you can see that duck's beak is not pointed, but goose beak is pointed. So I hope you understand what is difference between goose and duck. There is difference between height and beak of both. So geese is plural of goose. I hope you all know singular and plural, एकवचन और बहुवचन. जब भी गूज जो कि सिंगुलर है उसके लिए जब हमें प्लूरल वर्ड यूज करना होगा तो वी विल यूज गीज. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस वर्ड. सो लेट्स मूव ऑन नेक्स्ट वर्ड विच इज क्रीपर. सो लेट्स लर्न द स्पेलिंग. C-R-E-E-P-E-R, creeper. Let's repeat with me. C-R-E-E-P-E-R, creeper. Meaning of this word is plant that needs support to grow, usually along a wall or a tree. You also see this picture. In this picture, a plant is growing along a tree. आपने कई जगह पर देखा होगा जैसे छोटे छोटे प्लांट होते हैं जो अपने आप ऊपर की तरफ ग्रो नहीं कर पाते हैं. उनको किसी न किसी सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत होती है, नीड होती है. ऐसे ही प्लांट्स को हम क्रीपर कहते हैं. So also you can understand with this picture, a plant is growing along a tree. So in comment box, can you tell me some name of creepers, some plants which grow along a tree or wall? So let's move on next word, which is winding. Let's learn the spelling of winding. W-I-N-D-I-N-G, winding. Let's repeat with me, students. W-I-N-D-I-N-G, winding. Meaning of this word is go in circular or spiral course. Here you can see again picture of a creeper, but don't get confused. You can see in this picture that creeper is going in a circular course. जो creeper है वो पेड़ के चारों ओर सर्कुलर यानी गोल गोल घूमते हुए ऊपर बढ़ रहा है. इसी कोर्स को जो गोल गोल या स्पाइरल या स्प्रिंग की तरह गोल गोल घूमते हुए ऊपर की तरह ऊपर की तरफ जा रहा है, इसी को हम वाइंडिंग कहते हैं. So I hope you understand this word. Let's move on next word. Muttered. Let's learn the spelling with me. M-U-T-T-E-R-E-D. Muttered. Let's repeat with me. M-U-T-T-E-R-E-D. Muttered. Now understand the meaning of this word. Spoken in a low tone. You can see in this picture a girl is telling something to other girl in a low tone. एक लड़की जो दूसरी गर्ल को धीरे से कुछ बता रही है ताकि कोई और ना सुन ले. इसी को हम muttered कहते हैं. I hope you understand the meaning of this word. So let's move on. Next word. Flapped. Let's learn the spelling. F-L-A-P-P-E-D. Flapped. Let's repeat with me, students. F-L-A-P-P-E-D. Flapped. Meaning of this word: move wings up and down. Move wings up and down. पंखों को ऊपर नीचे की तरफ हिलाना, या जिसे हम फड़फड़ाना भी कहते हैं. Whenever a bird tries to fly, he flapped his wings. जब भी एक पक्षी ऊपर की तरफ उड़ना चाहता है तो वो हमेशा अपने पहले पंखों को फड़फड़ाता है. Also you can see in this picture a pigeon is flapping its wings. So here we finished our new words. I hope you understand all the new words. So today's your task is to learn these new words and write in your copy. Thank you.